Have you ever seen a bride toss her bouquet? Did you know the bouquet toss tradition started in the 1800s? Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm dressed like a bride because today is my 12th anniversary and I thought that it would be fun to talk about wedding. Big days, big ceremony, full of love, celebration, and very interesting traditions. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first word is bouquet, a bunch of flowers that all brides have in their ceremony. Some of them are simple, others are very fancy. There is a popular custom in many countries. At the end of the wedding, brides throw their bouquet. Whoever catches, it's said to be the next one to get married. The next words, veil and train. As you can see, this is my veil, a piece of thin fabric that brides wear over their face or head during the wedding ceremony. What about train? This one? No. The train is a long part of bride's dress. It's very important for some brides. The next pair of words, bride dress and bride crown. These items are really essential for brides. Bride dress, bride crown, veil, train, and bouquet. Now let's dive into wedding party. There are many different cultures and traditions worldwide. For example, the ceremony, vows, the first dance, toast, and more. Let me explain each of them in context. Last year, I was a bridesmaid for my best friend's big day. They went all in. As I was in the wedding, I helped her with last-minute details, checking her veil, fixing her makeup, and making sure her wedding dress didn't get stepped on. They booked out the town hall for the official part, and the ceremony was held at a gorgeous lakefront venue. Everything was decorated with summer florals. During the vows, I had to hold the bouquet and make sure everything was ready for ring exchange. After the ceremony, we posed for wedding photos, and then I gave a short toast during the reception. Oh, the first dance was so touching, and I definitely shed a few tears. When I say I'm in the wedding, it means I'm a part of the wedding and I help the bride or the groom. The bride is a woman who's getting married, and the groom is a man who's getting married. A bridesmaid is a close friend or family member who helps the bride on her wedding day. This role for the groom is done by the best man. The ceremony is the official part of the wedding when the couple gets married. When we say they book out a place, it means they reserve the entire place for an event. For example, they booked out the town hall for their ceremony. Vows are the special promises the bride and the groom say to each other during the ceremony. The venue is the place where the wedding or the party is held, and florals means decorated with flowers or having flower patterns. Pose means to stand or sit in a certain position for photos. A toast is when someone raises their glass and says something nice to congratulate the couple. The reception is the party after the ceremony, with dancing, food, and celebration. The last phrase, they went all in. It means to do everything possible, to put in maximum effort. For example, the couple went all in for their wedding. Everything was perfect. Now, let's quickly review today's words and phrases with this table. That's all for today's wedding fun. I hope you enjoyed learning these words and phrases with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. See you in the next one.